Good morning, student. I am Chauhan Jaya, your English teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine. Let's continue our topic. Unit 1, Activity 2. Activity 2. Read and discuss points about the past and present condition of the earth natural beauty. Student, here we are discuss about how was the earth in past and how earth you are seeing right now. Third column. And student, we are discussing in the third column, it is a future, means how you are going to see the earth in future and what you can do for earth for the better future. Student, there are three columns: past, present, future. So how was the earth in past? Earth was very beautiful, neat and clean. But in present, it not too good. It damaged and has a less beauty. In future, what is going to happen if we are not saving our earth right now? The earth can be fully damaged. So now move in first one. See. So more trees in past, present less tree. What will be in future? There will be no tree. Why? In past there was a lots of tree. In present less tree. In future no tree will be left. It means if we are not saving our tree right now, there will be no tree left in future. Move to second. In past, ample of water. Present, polluted and less water. And what will be in future? There will be no water. Why? In present day-to-day life, we are seeing that less water. We are struggling for water. If we are not saving our water in present, there will be no water for future. So, for this, we have start saving water. Third one, in past, Greenland, in present, unclean and polluted land. We can see that now. In future, very polluted land. If we are not going to clean our land, our earth right now, in future we can see only polluted and unclean land. In past, colorful flower. Present, less flower. And in future, no flowers. Last one, pleasant ray of sun reach the earth in past. In present, irritating ray of the sun reach the earth and cause harm to life on earth. In future, sun rays could reach the earth easily and damage its beauty. It means that sun ray reach the earth directly and it affecting the life of earth. So in a future, you can say that sun ray reach the earth easily and can damage the beauty of the earth if we cannot saving our earth right now. So student, we finished activity 2. Student, write this activity in your fair notebook. Thank you.